Welcome to my presentation on stem and leaf diagrams. I have chosen this topic as it is a common GCSE question. Students generally find this easy to understand and can achieve up to 6 marks. For borderline students, it can be vital to achieving a grade C. I have given you some starter questions. Pause the video and have a go. When you are ready, press play and you can see the answers. While you are trying these, think about why it will be a good idea to have these as a starter activity for students. Also, make a note in your learning journal about what you think lower level students would have issues with, or how could you extend this activity for higher level students. During the rest of the presentation, I will be showing you how to draw a stem and leaf diagram, calculate the mode, median, mean and interquartile range from a stem and leaf diagram. In this example, you can see that students have been given a list of numbers. All of the numbers consist of a 10 and a unit. So in this case here, the 10s will go into the stem and the units will go into the leaf. After they have all the numbers in the stem, they need to start crossing off each number and placing the unit with its corresponding 10. Pause the video and have a go at filling in the rest of the diagram. And I would also like you to think about what would you highlight to students at this stage, and do you think there is any barriers to learning at this point? Once you have all the units in the correct place, the students should have an unordered stem and leaf diagram. The students then have to create a new stem and leaf diagram where they will put each row in order of size. I would strongly recommend crossing off all the numbers again, as this will prevent students missing out on any numbers that they already have in the stem and leaf diagram. If students miss out on any of the numbers, they will miss out on some marks for this question. Lastly, they need to add a key to indicate what the stem and leaf diagram represents. In terms of marks, just drawing the basic stem and leaf diagram is worth 3 marks. 1 for correct input of all the digits, 2 for ordering the digits with none missing, and 3 for the key. Here is an example of a marking scheme for a stem and leaf diagram question. You are given the stem and leaf in the correct order and then shown how the marks are awarded. If you are asked to calculate the median for the stem and leaf diagram, you simply cross off the numbers at each end until you get to the middle. If you get to the middle and there are 2 numbers, you simply add the numbers and then divide by 2. The interquartile range can be calculated by finding the upper quartile and the lower quartile. As you can see, you have to locate the median first. Once you have located the median, you then cross off again and find the middle value. In this case, the lower quartile will be 17. You do the same to find the upper quartile, and then you simply subtract the 2 numbers. Here is an exam question for you to have a go at. Pause the video and do the question out in full. See can you get full marks. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation and that it has been clear to you how to answer a question on stem and leaf diagrams. If you have any more worries, please go to BBC Bitesize and they go through step by step how to answer questions like this. Thank you. Bye.